Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to type to Siri on the latest iOS 18 update. This is a great feature if you prefer typing instead of speaking, so let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS or at least to the 18.2 or newer. Then you can check it to general, then click on software update and check your update version. Then you have to go to control center or search here CD. Let me do it from the control center. You have to hold here and you have to tap on the plus icon which is called add a control and tap onto it and type CD here, Siri, and tap onto it, type to Siri and add the option here. Then now you have to tap on the type to Siri option and you can type your commands instead of speaking from here. And that's it. This feature works great, especially with Apple Intelligence, and make using Siri even more convenient. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.